chance of shower.
Southeastern Montana County in north central Texas, eastern Warren County in north central Texas, northwestern Breathitt County in north central Texas, southwestern Cook County in north central Texas, until 12:30
Central Daylight Time. At 11:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Freshburg, or 9 miles east of Bowie, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sanger, Decatur, New Fairview, and Freshburg. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 475 and 479. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.